Hello and welcome my friend, and next I am planning to show you Lexus quality and how we can replace this Lexus logo, and this is really possible that you can replace new logo and you can purchase this logo, and in this back area there is one Phillips head screw what we open, and then these parts opens. And next I will open this part. There is really one Phillips head screw, and there is my screwdriver, and I open next this screw this way, small screw, and then there are those small connectors in this down area, and I need now flathead screwdriver. Okay, and here is my flathead screwdriver, this one, and using this tool then I little bit compress these pins, and same time I press that down, and also in that another area there is two of these. Now this my logo is released, and I can purchase these new logos from Lexus dealership centers, and I can then install new parts back, and very nice engineering. And this back installation happens like reverse. But I install firstly this area in here, and then I need to only check this screw position, and then I press that in down in that way, and then this screw back in here, and a little bit tight. Okay, good. And now this job has been done. Excellent. The final step is to install this mask reel back.